How to make big decisions really quickly and really simply. I know a lot of you are wanting me to talk about this because I've received a number of messages and DMs from you regarding this topic. But the simplest way, guys, to make sense or make a big decision moving forward is to have some type of strategy or procedure or process that allows you to do that every time you feel stuck. So the first part of that process is understanding and acknowledging that you're going backwards and forth and playing a game of mental ping pong or mental gymnastics, and you're not moving forward beyond that. That's just the game. Right? Because you're giving too much importance, too much care to what means something to you. Once you catch that particular energy, emotion, thought process, whatever you want to call it, your next step is to then implement the process that you've created for yourself. Now, I've said this in other videos, and I'll say it again because it's the simplest hack that I've come across, and it's what I do when I'm truly stuck. I do it for the biggest decisions in my life. I do it for the smallest decisions in my life. I do it for any time where I catch myself in that ping pong or mental ping pong style game. All I do is I get a coin. And if I don't have a coin, I get something that has two sides that can be flipped. This is all I do. Because often we have the answer within ourselves, okay? But we just don't know how to bring it out. That's why we're going backwards and forth. We're playing this scenario out, that scenario out, thinking about this, what if that doesn't, when, what, becomes a mess. All right? Get the coin. If you're stuck between one of two decisions, the coin's the ultimate. If you've got 4 or 5 things you're trying to make sense of, then make it a game and a process of elimination. So let's say you've got, I'll give the simple version and the more complex version. Let's say you have 2 different things and you just can't figure out what to do. Get a coin, you call heads this, you call tails that, you flip it, whatever it lands on, you do. Because you're going to know, if it lands on one, there's your action, you move forward with it. But if it lands on heads and you really wanted the decision that was on tails, oh, geez, you don't say it out loud to yourself, but you have a feeling that goes, geez, I hope this lands on tails. It might happen while the coin's being flipped when you're about to look at it or when you look at it. You get your answer. The coin reveals to you what's already in you. Okay? And then if you're truly neutral about it, you truly don't care which way to go, you just don't want to make the wrong decision, then all you got to do is act on the very thing that comes up for the coin. And then you'll get your answer. You'll either move forward with conviction, know what it is, or you won't. And that's how it works. All right? The other side to this as well is to make sure that if there's like 5 or 6 things, then you simply just play process of elimination. So you get out of the 6 things, you get 2 things, you flip the coin. Cool. The one that it lands on, that's now moved into the next category. You do that 3 times. Okay? Then you have 3 different things. Keep flipping coins until you're all the way down to 2 options. When you get to that point, flip it, move forward. It's the simplest thing. All right, it's not a really long video, but this is my type of process. You might have your own. You might want to do something different. It's up to you what you choose to do. All right, but find a process. This is the way I get through all my big decisions, small decisions. It's how I become unstuck. All right, and hopefully it's something, if not the actual process itself, hopefully there's something within that that can actually help you think about your own process and how to move forward when you're stuck. All right, hope it helps.